When I started this project, I had no idea what I was doing. You could say I was winging it. Get it? Get it? Do you see what I did? Okay, here's how I made my Hermes shoes. You will need shoes of your choosing. Two of these flappy little automatic bird cat toy thingy-mabobs. Some fabric that is white and lightweight, I'm using interfacing. And then also some wire and some wire cutters. When it comes to the wire, you need it to be something that's sturdy enough that will not bend easily, but also not heavy enough that it won't be able to flap with it on. For the shoes, make sure it's something that has an area where you can put the little flappy thing. I'm using trainers. This is what I want to use. If you want to use sandals, you're going to have to figure out your own way to attach it. I'm doing it with trainers because that's what I got. And oh yeah, you're probably also going to want glue of some kind. First things first, you're going to want to strip those birds naked. No, more naked. Nakeder. Oh, it's getting hot in here. That's very naked. In case it wasn't clear, open the bird's butthole, peel off their skin, rip the motor out from their inside, and that is how you get these little flappy devices. Lovely. If only we could turn off the tweeting, eh? Gonna have tweety shoes. Speaking of shoes, we're gonna have to find a way to attach this bad boy to them. So I'm thinking we can slide this little guy down here, or maybe like this, and then the front will flap. But then I do kind of like the idea of the wings flapping at the back of the shoe too, which I don't think is going to be possible. And I kind of want it to flap here, but then there's nowhere for my foot to go. So I'm probably going to attach it here, this way or that way, and either way I'll figure it out. Have you gone insane yet? Give it time. It's like Beyblades. Shoo! Remember that duct tape I didn't tell you needed? Well, you need it to tape the wire to two strips of wire to each wing, and then turn it on to make sure that it still works. Don't make them too long or it's not going to work, trust me. This step was an optional last-minute decision, but I decided to glue on some fabric that matched the shoe just to try and hide the device a little better. Okay, so I cut out 8 of this kind of shape, 4 for each little device, and then I'm going to pop them on each side and kind of sandwich the wire in between. And then once they're on there, I just cut some feathery shapes out. You can still see the wire, so we're just going to layer up to try and disguise it. If I was to do this again, I'd probably find a better way to hide the wires or use white tape instead, but overall I think they're really good for a first attempt. But now we have 2. I can already see the comments. Wow, it looks like that golden thing from the book written by the racist transphobe about the wizards. I see it too, but the turf doesn't need any more clout, so we're just going to pass on that. So, I have threaded it through the shoe this way because that's the way the wings sit. What I would recommend doing if you're going to wear these out and about is just add some glue down there, maybe some hot glue or something. I'm not going to permanently fix them because I want to be able to take them out for conventions and replace them with back wings if I see fit. But there you go, it really is that simple and that cheap to do. I did not expect that I would be able to do this. This is my first go at it, which is why the tutorial isn't fancier than this, but if you liked it, please hit a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Make sure you keep an eye out for my upgraded Hermes. See you soon. Bye, guys.
Special effect!
These shoes do have a special effect. Like your Pikachu shoes.